In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best dash cams in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which dash cams is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Cobra Dash Cam. Front and rear camera, full complete coverage for the roads in front and behind. Quad HD front-facing video as well as full HD rear to capture the entire scene during daylight and evening, and a sleek 3-QHD OLED display for a better view of recordings. Hands-free voice commands, hands-free dash cam operation using voice commands. The SC200D allows users to easily attach an optional cabin view or rear view camera, which will give you dual view capabilities. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you quickly store, edit and share video footage from any place via cloud-based video management. GPS integrated syncs your location and speed data to ensure you have all the vital information whenever you need it. Heads-up navigation, drive more safely with notifications on the screen to future turns, even if you are running your maps in the background of your smartphone. This is the ideal automobile accessory to ensure you reach your destination in time. Live police alerts on screen. Live police alerts right on your screen with Cobra SC400D. Cobra SC Smart Dash Cams are the only ones that display exclusive live police alerts, such as the speed zone of radars, camera places, and more. Incident reports and alerts for Maydays. You can instantly send details about your insurance policy, the event information, and video footage taken by your vehicle camera to your insurance company. Here is the item number 4, Garmin Dash Cam. The car key-size dashboard camera is mounted discreetly behind the rear-view mirror and is virtually undetectable. It automatically saves and records footage of any incident. Wide 140-degree lens, record 1080p video using Garmin Clarity HDR lenses for clear, crisp details during the day as well as at night. Controlling voice, only accessible in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish, allows users to use voice commands to save videos and audio recordings, as well as to start or stop recording. Captures still images and more. The videos saved are automatically uploaded via Wi-Fi into the secured online vault to watch and then share. The parking guard feature requires the power to be on continuously and an active connection to Wi-Fi. Connecting through Garmin Drive. The Garmin Drive app on compatible smartphones is a way to monitor activity in your vehicle parked there and notify you in the event of an incident. Remotely access the camera for live view monitoring, requires constant electricity and an active connection to Wi-Fi and access through Garmin Drive, the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone, while you're away from your vehicle that's parked. Increase your awareness of your vehicle by downloading your Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone to watch videos from up to 4 dash cameras, sold separately. The durable design can withstand the harshest conditions in vehicles, such as hot temperatures and direct sunlight. It also comes with 2 USB chargers, which give drivers an additional USB charging port. The item number 3, REDTIGER Dash Cam. 4K plus 1080p dual re-recording. The REDTIGER dual dash cameras record video with up to Ultra HD 4K, 3840*2160p plus FHD 1080p resolutions. This lets you see important information such as road signs, car number plates, and so on. Additionally, the front 170 degrees, as well as rear 140 degrees wide-angle cameras, allow you the reduction of blind spots, and also important evidence can be retrieved and used when there is a crash. Superior night vision. The driving recorder is fitted with an exceptional optical lens, sporting an ultra-large f1.5 aperture, and 6 layers. It is also equipped with HDR/WDR technology that allows you to record important details even in low lighting conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi or Smart App control. The dashboard camera can connect to your smartphone's app via built-in Wi-Fi. Use the app, use AM, to playback, view, and control the dashcams using your iOS as well as Android devices. Additionally, you can upload and edit videos using the app. One-click sharing lets you send your travel pictures and unforgettable moments with family and friends. Dashcam with GPS. This driver recorder has built-in GPS and can record the driving route, the real-time speed, and location. Tracker for Google Maps using Wi-Fi with the app or using GPS Player for Windows as well as Mac GPS Player, which will give additional evidence in the event of an accident happens. Number 2 in our list, Vantrue Dash Cam. Dual lens 1080p car camera, the best dual dash camera for Uber riders, rideshare, and Lyft drivers is chosen for you by Wirecutter, CNET, Business Insider, BGR, etc. The front camera and the inside camera simultaneously record the road's front 170 degrees and the inside of the passenger's cabins 140 degrees in crystal clear detail at a dual resolution of 1920x 1080p and 30 frames per second, making it a perfect choice for drivers of rideshares who require photographic proof if some rude passengers cause damage to their vehicle. Infrared night vision with Sony sensor. The front-facing camera uses the Sony sensor for IR LED lights and an f/2.0 aperture, which can deal with low lighting conditions and provide excellent video footage even when the cabin of the passenger is dark. f/1.86 glass lens in front of the camera and an exclusive HDR video system that automatically balances the dark and light parts within the image. 24 hours park mode, and auto LCD off. 24 hours motion-activated parking mode allows the dual camera automatically record whenever it senses motion. Auto start recording and when the ignition starts to spark. Auto LCD off timer assures you aren't distracted by a glowing circle in your window. The ideal climate for the majority of conditions, -4 degrees to 158 deg F, -20 degrees from 70 degrees Celsius to -20 degrees. Fantastic audio recording thanks to the built-in microphone. The time-lapse feature automatically takes pictures at specified intervals. Looping recording, G-sensor and optional GPS. Looping recording, G-sensor and optional GPS. Seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest video with the most recent when a card is filled. G-sensors that have variable sensitivity automatically detect an accident or sudden shake, and then secure the footage in event file to prevent the video is overwritten. It can support a maximum of 256 GB on a microSD card. We recommend the Vantrue microSD card. Optional GPS for tracking the route taken, the speed, and the location. The top one in our list, Rove Dash Cam. 4K Ultra HD recording. The Rove are 2-4K Dash Cam records videos at a 2160p resolution. Ultra HD video recording quality is of such high quality that you'll not see better clarity and distinction than other dash cameras. Revolutionary Super Night Vision technology, Ultralolean's NT96660 and Sony the IMX335 can help you get better quality images and clear footage from recordings even in dim light conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi. Download Rove's Rove app to browse and manage dashcam videos immediately on both iOS and Android devices. Through the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly onto your smartphone and quickly share them on social media channels with your family and friends. Dash camera with GPS. Its built-in GPS accurately tracks your speed and location while driving. Track your route on the road and tracker on Google Maps by connecting to Wi-Fi via the app or using the car DV player. We offer free firmware upgrades to this camera for cars. Features with state-of-modern technology. The dashboard camera in the car has f1.8 apertures, the largest aperture on the market. Parking mode motion detector, 150 deg plus wide-angle lenses, G-sensor loop cycle recording security video locks, emergency time-lapse slow-mo video and can support up to 512 GB Class 10 micro SD cards with U3 speeds. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best dash cams amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.